fellow students. Welcome to NIRS Education channel. Today let us see the thinking about the text part of the lesson, the little girl. First one, given below are some emotions that KGR felt. Match the emotions in column A with the item in column B. Column A, first one they have given fear or terror. For this emotion in the column B, suitable things are father comes home, next speaking to father, next going to bed when alone at home, next father stretched out on the sofa snoring. Next, column A, second one, glad sense of relief, when she used to feel glad sense of relief. In the column B, suitable things are father comes into her room to give her a goodbye kiss. Noise of next one, noise of carriage grows fainter. Next one, the funny feeling perhaps of understanding, for that suitable one in the B column. Father comforts her and falls asleep. Next, second one, answer the following questions in one or two sentences. First question, why was Kezia afraid of her father? Yes, Kezia was afraid of her father because he was strict and he used to talk to her in a harsh manner, and he was always finding some mistakes in her. Along with these things, his physical appearance was also made her to afraid of her father. He was looking like a giant for her. Who are the people in Kezia's family? In Kezia's family, there were 4 members: Kezia, her father, mother, and grandmother. What was Kezia's father's routine? First one, before going to office. Before going to office, he used to come to Kezia's room to give her a casual goodbye kiss. Okay. After coming back from his office, he used to ask papers and tea, newspapers and tea. On Sundays, he used to stretch on sofa, keeping a kerchief on his or covering his face with kerchief and pressing a pillow, and he used to sleep with snoring. In what way did Kezia's grandmother encourage her to get to know her father better? Yes, Kezia's grandmother, she used to send her to drawing room in order to have a nice talk with her father and mother, so that she can understand her father and mother in a better manner. And also grandmother suggested her to make a gift of a pin cushion as a birthday gift for her father. Okay. Like this, Kezia's grandmother encouraged Kezia to understand her father better. Third main, discuss these questions in class with your teacher and then write down your answers in 2 or 3 paragraphs each. Okay. First one, Kezia's effort to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? Yes, here 2 things we can see. Kezia always wanted to please her father. One thing, on every Sundays, as per the suggestion of her grandmother, she used to come to drawing room in order to have nice talk with her father. But that time her father used to sleep on sofa, and he got irritated by this girl and used to call her little brown owl. Okay, that is one thing. Second thing, as per the suggestion of grandmother, she decided to make a pin cushion as a birthday gift to her father. But she tore important papers of her father, and stuffed them in the pincushion. When father came to know about that, he became very angry and he scolded and beat her with the ruler. In both these situations, she wanted to please her father, but it resulted in unpleasing her father or displeasing her father. Okay. Next one. Kezia decides that there are different kinds of fathers. What kind of father was MacDonald and how was he different from Kezia's father? Yes, Kezia decided that there were different kinds of father because through the gap of the fence she saw MacDonalds who were playing in the garden. Okay, she saw MacDonald, he was playing with his children. Little Mao was sitting on his shoulder. Okay, they were playing tags and two girls, they were hanging to his coat pockets, and they were turning or running round and round the flower bed. He was laughing, he was enjoying with the children. Two boys, his children, once they turned hose towards him, he became wet. But instead of becoming angry, he was playing with them, he was trying to catch them with the laughter. Here we can see MacDonald, he was not angry towards his children. He was enjoying with his children, he was playing with his children. Whereas Kezia's father was always angry towards her. He was not playing with her. Okay. Then seeing MacDonald, she decided that there are some different fathers. Okay, different sorts of father or different kinds of fathers. Third question. How does Kezia begin to see her father as a human being who needs her sympathy? Yes, Kezia was afraid of her father in the beginning. But one day her mother and grandmother went to hospital. She was left alone in the house. Cook Alice put her on the bed and she had the nightmare. In that nightmare, a butcher was holding a knife and a rope in his hand, coming nearer and nearer to her. Then she screamed, "Grandma, Grandma." That time her father came to her bed and he took her by his arm and he made her to sleep beside him. And that time she was in half asleep mood. She crept closer to her father and she was snuggling. Okay, she snuggled under his arms and father told her to rub her feet to his legs so that they can become warm. Okay. At that moment she felt that her father was not so big and he was working too hard, and it was quite difficult for him to play with her in the evening time because he was too tired to play with her. So at that situation she understood that her father cannot be like MacDonald because he has to work hard in the office. And she expressed her love towards her father by saying that he has a big heart. Yeah, with this we have completed this lesson. Thank you for watching video.